What is up, guys? Today we are playing Five Nights at Freddy's, but in Roblox. Well, not perfectly Five Nights at Freddy's. Five Nights at Freddy's 2. And a survival game with Freddy being the most strong, and then the puppet, and then Foxy, then Bonnie, then Chica.
Pizza.
And now let's start loading.
This game does have jump scares, so if you're a little chicken, don't watch this. We got a flashlight. Oh, hell no! Ooh, money! Money! Nope, 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 nope. What do I do with a screwdriver? Oh snap, time's the power. No, they've already started it? Are you kidding me? I hate them. Why are you doing this to me? I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna close me on the door, aren't you? I'm gonna be chopping off if you do that. I've got we have the cameras, so we got the two hallways. Oh, we can see Bonnie. There's Bonnie. Okay, what about this? There's that. Where's Freddy and Chica?
Pizza.
And Foxy. You know Foxy's on the stage. There's Freddy. Where's Chica?
Pizza.
Hey, little kid, what are you doing? Hey, bro. Oh my god! No! No! Oh, flashlight. Thanks, bro. Oh! God, did we not save power? Oh my god! I do not read tutorials. Luckily, I knew how to hide in a closet. Oh, damn it. Oi! Hey, yo, where'd he go? That's on. I'm kind of scared, so we should get out of here. Ooh, knife. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna find every animatronic before it's cooked. Foxy, Bonnie, Chica. Oh, yep, and there he is. You got all the characters. I know where all they are. Oh, I thought I was a big guy. Oh, Mr. Toilet! he did it. We did it! Yeah! Wait, where'd he go? He's gone. See you later, buddy. You really think I was gonna let you in? This is not fair. They're camping. They're camping. They're camping my both doors. This is not fair. She knows. I hate you. I hate this kid. I hate both of these trolls. Holy cow. You so See you later, little bro. See you later. See you later, alligator. See you later, boy. Front rooms, front areas. You just need a security room. That was scary. Oh, yeah, I'm doing so good. Get better, bro. What? Did he just open my door? You stay there.
Was that the bite of 87?
Oh my god! What? Why did I spawn with no power? Please like and subscribe. I want to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That'd be nice. But if you guys watch this to the end, thank you guys so much. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment which game do you want me to play next. I'll play any game.